U.S. helicopters fly over Caracas as airstrikes target strategic sites tied to the Maduro regime. Delta Force, the U.S. Army's elite special operations unit, launched a covert mission to capture President Nicolás Maduro and his wife, Celia Flores. Explosions light up the city as helicopters provide cover for ground teams moving in. According to the BBC and confirmed by CBS, both Maduro and Flores were apprehended and are now in U.S. custody. President Trump later confirmed the operation in an official White House video. This marks a bold escalation in U.S. action in Venezuela.
Marico, llegamos a tiempo a la casa, yo. Marico, mira esa mierda.